end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Identify the purpose of measurement. Letter B. Enumerate the purpose of measurement. And letter C. Appreciate the importance of purpose of measurement. So, bago yan, may inihanda sa teacher na activity. Ready na ba? Okay, so yung activity natin ngayon is arrange me. Scramble words. So, hulaan nyo kung anong word ito. Naintindihan ba? Okay, no? Ano ba to? Very good. This is education. Pangalawa, ano to? Measurement. Very good. So, dahil alam nyo, bigyan nyo yung sarili nyo na 3 claps. So, claps, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, dahil tapos na yung ating activity, so, mayroong katanungan sa teacher. So, ano ba nang observe nyo sa activity natin? Okay. So, ano ba yung posibleng maging topic natin? Very good. About purpose of measurement. So, basahin naman natin yung purpose of measurement. Purpose of measurement. So, meron tayong 5 purpose of measurement. First, basahin muna natin yung meaning ng measurement. Naintindihan ba? Okay. So, measurement, the process of determining the quality, size, or extent of something, often by comparing into standard. So, we have 5 purposes of measurement. First, understanding and comparison. Number 1, understand and comparison. Measurement allows us to objectively understand the size, amount of the degree. So, when I say understanding, ito yung pagkakaintindi natin. So, measurement, kumbaga allow tayo to objectively na maintindihan natin yung the size, amount of degree of something or isang bagay. That is the decision making. Accurate measurement is crucial for making informed decision in various fields, from scientific research to everyday tasks. So, syempre, yung decision making, one of the purpose of measurement. Kasi dito, syempre, when we do something, isipin natin muna yung decision natin, if okay ba o tama ba yung ginawa natin or decision natin. Next one is communication. Measurement provides a standardized way to communicate information about the world around us. Syempre, communication is sharing of measurement, sharing of provide ang standardized on how or paano tayo mag-communicate sa ibang tao or kung paano tayo to gather some information. And also, location assessment. In education, measurement is used to assess student learning and areas where students will support and evaluate effectiveness of teaching method. Syempre, one of the purpose of measurement is yung education assessment. So, education measurements, ito yung ginagamit natin on how to assess students when it comes of learning. And also, as a teacher, you should know or alam mo kung ano yung student whether they are support and also part of the job.